Today we get rid of this blue that's sitting on this R3. Been meaning to do that for a minute, so we're gonna paint it black. I was thinking keeping it blue, but changed my mind. We're just gonna do it black, and I'll figure out what color I'm gonna do it from there. Went ahead and sprayed a couple of coats, and while it was drying I started piecing together the fairings that I got when I purchased the bike. Owner had some primered fairings going, and the plastics look pretty good, so everything's there. All I gotta do is actually find a color, so just thinking about a color right now for it. I did take the tank cover off. I'm gonna paint that too, get under here, change the spark plugs, oil change, and possibly the wires, and that's about it for right now. Check out the brakes, see how they are. So I'm just basically gonna paint the front here, this little fairing, that side fairing there, and the two rear fairings. The rest of everything is all black. I'm just gonna use this 180 block that I have, and so my choice was a winter gray for the job, and I just got to sanding and spraying, and it looks like it came out decent. I'm just gonna let it cure for 24 hours, and we're gonna start piecing the fairings back together and see what I'm missing. But this is how it looks for now. I know it's kind of dark in here. I just want to have it in the shade because you're not supposed to have it in direct sunlight after painting it. So I'm gonna let it cure for 24 hours, and we'll get to working on the piecing together. I also did get my new tire in. It is a Dunlop Sport Max. I was wondering if I should paint the wheels the same color as the fairings. I don't know yet, but for now they're going to be black, and we'll run it like that and see how it looks.